In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access email settings in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your email preferences, how to update the address your customers see, and how to fine-tune the messages that go out with your invoices, all without missing a beat. Once you're signed into Xero, start at the very top of the screen. Look for your name or profile icon in the upper corner of the dashboard. Click that to open your account menu. This menu is your quick gateway to personal and organization options, and it's the easiest way to get where we're going. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to a hub of configuration options for your organization. It's a good idea to pause for a second and make sure you're in the right organization if you manage more than one, since your email preferences are organization specific. Next, select Email Settings. This is where you control how your emails are set up in Xero. You'll see an option to edit the email address associated with your outgoing messages. Keep this address professional and make sure it's one you or your team actively monitor. If your organization uses a shared inbox for billing, enter that here so replies land where they're meant to be seen. Depending on your role and setup, some changes may require the right permissions, so check with your administrator if anything is locked down. Below that, you'll find your email templates. Templates save time and keep your communication consistent. Let's open the sales invoice template as an example. Click Sales Invoice to view and edit the default subject line and message body that accompany your invoices. This is a great place to set the tone of your brand and make expectations clear. Keep the subject concise and recognizable, and in the message, include a friendly greeting, a short description of what's attached, and any essential payment details or next steps. If Xero provides merge fields in your setup, use them to automatically pull in details like the invoice number, due date, or amount, so each email stays accurate without extra typing. When you're happy with your edits, click Save. Always save before navigating away so your changes stick. After saving, you're ready to send professional, consistent messages every time you email an invoice from Xero. That's it. Click your name at the top, go to Settings, open Email Settings, adjust the email address if needed, refine your templates by opening Sales Invoice, edit your message, and save. Revisit these settings anytime your branding or payment instructions change so your communications stay clear and up to date.